Hi everybody, this is Chris with Cyr Financial. Today I wanted to talk to you about your client statement. Most of you receive your client statement on a quarterly basis. This is your detailed statement which has a lot of pretty colors, a lot of information, and a lot of you may have a difficult time understanding it. Today I wanted to go through some of the details of this statement so you can get a better understanding of what you're actually looking at. To be clear, this statement is not your monthly email that you receive with a summary of your accounts. This is a detailed statement. This is the same statement that you can run online through your client portal at any time.
The first thing to understand about the statement is that there are multiple ways to receive it. One way to access your statement is via the client portal. Clients with over $50,000 have access to the client portal. You can sign on to the client portal at any time using any mobile device or computer. In addition to reviewing your statements, you also receive a monthly email summary once you're on the client portal. Navigate to cyrfinancial.com for a more detailed instruction set of how to get on the client portal and navigate the client portal. In addition to the client portal, most of our customers also receive the client statement quarterly via US mail. When you log on to Cyr Financial and navigate to the Client Access section, you will see 4 unique areas which will help you understand how to get on the client portal and how to use the client portal. The first button gets you access directly to the client portal if you're familiar with it. The next instructions are for first-time users how to get on the client portal and the first access. You also have a video which tells you how to navigate the client portal, and also you have the ability to get our app which you can access the client portal from any mobile device. Now let's talk about the statement itself. What exactly does it say? When you first view your statement, whether it's on the client portal or via US mail, you will see the dates for which this report represents. Always keep in mind when reviewing the statement that these dates are the key dates for which most figures are being shown. In this case, this statement is from January 1st to April 20th. The very first section of the client statement shows all the accounts you have with Cyr Financial, the beginning market value, the amount of money you may have contributed from that time period, the amount of money you may have taken out, and the amount that your investments have gone up or down, and finally, the ending value for that period. The next 2 sections on your statement reflect activity in your accounts in total for the period of the statement. The beginning and ending portfolio composition indicates how we at Cyr Financial have actively managed your money. You will see your allocations to equities, bonds, alternatives, money markets, or in some cases, fixed guaranteed accounts. The activity chart shows the amount that you started with at the beginning of the period, the amount you contributed, net, transfers in or out, the amount of fees you've paid to Cyr Financial, as well as the amount that your portfolio has gone up or down for the statement period, and finally, the ending balance once again. The activity summary shows more of the same information but from different time periods, month to date, quarter to date, and also year to date. This column, year to date, represents what has happened with your accounts from the beginning of the year. The additional information on the activity summary, which has not been shown up to this point on the statement, is your return. You can compare your return versus both the stock market and bonds. On the right hand side is an allocation summary which gives a bigger breakdown of asset classes for your current account. The next section is the account performance detail. For each one of your accounts, you can see the balance in that account as of the statement date, as well as the individual returns for each individual account for the month, the quarter, and the full year. The next section is the income report. For all of your securities you have, this section details all dividends and interest received from any one of your different investments, including the date and the amount. The last section is the cost basis by product. This section shows all of the unique individual investments that are in your portfolio as of the statement date. This report shows the ticker symbol, the day you acquired the stock or fund, the number of shares or units you own, the price you paid, the total cost basis, the current value, as well as the gain or loss. For this particular example, you purchased $14,000 worth of Cabot Oil and Gas. Today, its value is worth $16,000, and you've earned $2,200 or 15.5%.
Hopefully, this client statement will make a little bit more sense to you the next time you receive it. Make sure, as always, if you have any troubles reading the statement or accessing the statement, please call our offices and ask for one of our helpful employees. Thank you.